guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Mazda guys. So if you have any Mazda such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6 guys, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7, and you guys have problems with two specific codes, P0443 or P0444, stay with us guys. We'll explain how to, what causes those codes and how to fix it. Now, there is a little device guys that's called a purge valve. That purge valve, what it does guys, it sends the vapors that build up in the fuel tank, it sends them all the way to the engine. They burn through the engine, that way the car is more efficient and you're not releasing these fumes guys in the air, and you avoid pollution that way as well. So if that purge valve is bad, what will happen? Actually it will not open and close, and as a result guys you may get these codes. In today's video we will show you guys how to test it. We will use a scanner here. I will explain how you can do it manually without a scanner as well. Make sure you stay until the end. Now, quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now guys, we're working on a CX-7, but as I said, most of the Mazdas will be that way. Now, the equipment that we'll be using works on any car, not just Mazda. And right here now guys, okay, when you open the hood of your Mazda, you will have a device that looks kind of like that. Okay, this is your purge valve. What it consists of, it has one wire, okay, one connector with two wires. And one is positive, one is negative. What it does when you give it power, okay, it's going to open and close. So these hose guys, okay, there is two hoses. One hose coming from the fuel tank and the other one going to the intake manifold of your vehicle. Now if, okay, that purge valve doesn't work, and the computer will tell it to open so it can sense the vapors from the fuel tank to the intake manifold, but if it doesn't open you'll get those codes. So how we're going to test it now, let me show you quick with the computer and I'll explain how you can do it without a computer. We have it on the channel. The whole procedure explains how you can manually do it, but you have to remove it. This is guys what I'll be using here, max CCs. Okay, and this scanner works on any car, not just Mazda. This is like a dealer level equipment guys here. You can read the lead codes from every module, you can do active testing and you can do programming. So let me show you how many cars that computer supports. You can find it guys listed in the description of the video below, and if you need to buy a new purge valve you can see where we get ours from as well, for a very affordable price. So what I'll do now, okay, we're going to turn the ignition on. Okay, like that. We're going to click VIN, how to detect. It's going to take just a little bit of time to decode the information. Okay, we confirm this is our VIN number. This is our car, Mazda CX-7 2.3 engine, all-wheel drive. We confirm yes. It's going to load the data now. It may take just a little bit of time. Ours does not have advanced keyless entry. Okay, we're almost there now. It's going to load all the software and all that stuff. You can see your voltage, battery voltage. Ours is 1207 now. So if it's less than 12, you may need to put it on a charger. Click diagnostics, control unit, and now we're going to select PCM, which is powertrain control module, right here. And we'll click active test. It's going to load the menu now and all the options. It will scan the car and tell us what components we can test. So that's pretty quick, as you can see, it takes only a couple of seconds. And now right here guys, one of them says, okay, this is canister purge valve duty cycle, that's what we'll be testing. Now right here, canister vent valve, this is actually in the back of the car, by the fuel tank. Okay, so I accidentally clicked this one. So we don't need this one. Okay, for that, what we need now to test this one, the purge valve, but the other one you test it exactly the same way, and we will explain, okay, how to do that one now. So that computer guys being wireless now, what we can do, we can just grab the computer, leave the ignition on, okay, and we can go under the hood, and I can show you there now, okay, what we need to do. So that purge valve, guys, I can manually activate it. Okay, I can activate it certain percentage so it opens and closes constantly, clicking. If I open it at 100%, it will just stay open. So let me show you now. Listen. Now it stopped clicking because it just opened all the way. If I decrease it, it will start clicking again. So that's definitely, guys, a working valve, otherwise you're not going to hear any noise out of it. So that's how you do it with the computer. Now, how you guys do it manually? Manually, okay, you're going to remove that wire connector. You need to use 2 alligator clips, 2 wire extensions, and you're going to apply, okay, 12 volt supply. When you apply 12 volt supply, you'll hear one click. When you remove the 12 volt supply, the click will be gone. When you apply 12 volts, it will open the valve, so if you blow on this side air, it will come out of this side. When you remove the 12 volt supply, it will be closed, so the air will not go out of here. So that's how you can manually test it as well. But always use an air compressor, don't blow with your mouth. So we'll have a video how to manually do that, guys, on the channel. Check it out if you need to. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.